Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Yamin Ap, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English National School, morning shift. My dear students, I am going to take a mathematics class today for the student of class 2. Our today's topic is multiplication part 2. I repeat, it's multiplication part 2. Okay. Our lecture number is 26 and you have a homework. Your homework number is 23. The students, most probably, it's most important, your HW number is 23. But this is your HW during vacation of Eid al-Fitr. In Eid al-Fitr, this will be your homework, okay, and you must submit it on 29 May. That means submission date is 29 May, okay. The submission date is 29 May, that means 5/2021, okay. And you have to do this 6 problem, okay, this 6 multiplication you need to do as your HW. By solving this HW at first, you can do all the HWs. My dear students, today's topic is multiplication. We will solve 5 multiplication today. In the previous class of multiplication part 1, you have learned how to multiply, okay. To do the multiplication, we should memorize the times table, and to do the multiplication we should start from the right side, my dear students. As addition and subtraction, we should start in the multiplication from the right side, that means from the ones place. For the first one, my dear students, is 45 multiplication of 5, okay. That means we need to multiply 45 by 5. To do this multiplication, we need to memorize the times table of 5, okay, and we should start from the right side, that means from the ones place. First of all, we should multiply 5 with the ones place 5, then we should multiply 5 with the tens place 4. So let's start. We should count the times table of 5 at first, okay. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 fives are 25. My dear students, we have got it. 5 fives are 25. Look, my dear students, it's 25 is a double digit number, so we can't write down in the ones place 25 together. We can write down only this ones place 5 in the ones place, okay, and this 2 is remaining in our hand. After that, we should multiply this tens place 4 with the 5. That means we should count the times table of 5 again. It's 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, and 5 fours are 20. We got 5 fours are 20, and this carrying 2 makes 22. So we should write down 22 here, and this is our required result. That means 225 will be our result, and our answer is 225. I think you have understood how to multiply. Now number 2, we will solve question number 2 is 37 multiplication with 4. That means we should multiply 37 by 4. To do this multiplication, we need to memorize the times table of 4, okay, and we should start from the right side. That means first of all we should multiply 4 with the 7. So count the times table of 4. It's 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, my dear students, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, and 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. Again, 28 is a double digit number, so we can write down only this 8 ones place 8 in the ones place, and we should carry in our hand 2, okay. Now we should multiply this tens place 3 with the 4, okay. Now to do that, we should count the times table of 4 again, okay. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are, my dear students, 12. 12 and this carrying 2 will make 14. 12 and carrying 2 makes 14, so 14 will be here, okay, and we got our result. Our result is 128. So we should write down the answer as 128, okay. 148 will be our answer. Now dear students, we should solve question number 3. Question number 3 is we need to multiply 81 by 9. That means for this multiplication we need to memorize the times table of 9. Now count the times table of 9 up to 1, okay. So 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. Dear students, 9 ones are 9. 9 is a single digit number, so we can write down directly 9 here, okay. And in this case, we have no remaining in our hand. Now we should multiply this tens place 8 with the 9. So count the times table of 9 again. 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72. I got it, but it's we got it. 9 8s are 72, and we should write down 72 here directly because we have no carrying. Okay, 72 will be here, and we got the result. Our result is 729. So answer will be what? Answer will be 729. 729 will be our answer. Now the next one will be question number 4. Dear students, question number 4 is 54 multiplied with the 6. That means for this multiplication, we should memorize the times table of 6. So count the times table of 6. First of all, we should multiply this 1's place 4 with the 6. Okay. To multiply this one, we should count the times table of 6. Okay. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 18. Sorry, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, and 6 fours are 24. And so 6 fours are 24. Okay, like 24. From this 24, we can write down only this 4, this 1's place 4 in the 1's place, and carrying 2. Okay, now we should multiply this 10's place 5 with the 6. To do that, we should count the times table of 6 again. Okay, so 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 30 and this 2 makes 32. We should write down 32 here. Okay, and we get the result. Our result is 324. Okay, so answer will be 324. Now the last one, my dear students, the last one is question number 5. The last multiplication is 17 multiplied with 7. That means we need to memorize the times table of 7 to do this multiplication. Okay, now count the times table of 7 up to 7. Okay, so 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, and 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. From this 49 is a double digit number. We can write down this 1's place 9 in the 1's place. Okay, 9, and carrying 4. Now my students, 7 multiplied with 1, 7 ones are 7, and this 4 makes 11. 7 and 4 makes 11, so it will be 119. Okay, so our answer will be 119 for this question. I hope you have understood, my students, how to do the multiplication, and you must submit your vacation SW on 29 May 2021. Okay, my students, see you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.